Here's the deal, right? So Donald Trump is a bigot. There's no other way to get around it.
Wow.
Anybody who accepts that, supports it. Anybody who supports it is promoting it. And that makes you a part of the bigotry itself. Now you have to decide whether or not you want to be part of the bigotry that is Donald Trump. You have to decide whether you want to be part of the sexism and misogyny that is Donald Trump. You have to decide whether you want to be part of the bullying that would allow him to make fun of one of my disabled colleagues at the New York Times. You have to decide that. There is no other space for you. There is no place for you to say, I'm going to put that to the side because I believe in conservative principles. I can't put that to the side because I believe that I do not want to vote for Hillary. You have to make a decision because your party has now decided that this is the person. This con man is your front man. What black people don't need is not somebody to solve our problems like we're some sort of algebraic equation. What black people need is dismantling of white supremacy in all of its forms, and that is not what Donald Trump is offering. That means I don't have to answer your questions, because you're not the moderator here. You're not the person who's asking.
But you can't sit on national TV.
No.
You will not.
You don't sit on
national TV and call someone a racist, sir.
I call him a bigot, and I called you a supporter of that bigotry, and therefore part of that bigotry, and you are part of what is the problem with African Americans.
Yes. Go ahead, Bruce.
I said that to you.